Hi, E3 Designs with you here tonight. I've got a Rhinocrawler 2220 kV motor with an 80 amp ESC. Got it all wired up, ready to roll. It's on an 8-channel A.R.C Radio Master receiver. I'll show you the crawl speed on it. It's super smooth and really slow on it. Using a NOEVSBIG helping hands. It's a neat little tool. The little jaws here, the little vise, it was very instrumental in helping solder everything up tonight. It's got a little LED light, and everything is magnetically based. So this will go into the Land Shark crawler, which I'll have done hopefully in the next couple days. Thanks a lot. Bye.